We can connect engineering data from Granta MI to additive manufacturing analysis inside Workbench. Open the Granta MI Materials gateway to access Granta materials within Workbench environment. In the gateway, you can search for a material, or if you are looking for a specific material, browse for it in the tree. Here we will assign a titanium alloy from the Advanced Material Data table. We can see the properties of the material in its datasheet and import it into Workbench. In engineering data, we can see the material imported along with curve data, which can be used in simulation.
Without the need to have extensive experience in simulation technologies, the AMLPBF setup wizard can help to quickly configure the simulation, mesh geometries, load templates, and apply changes. The wizard serves to simplify and focus your workflow for the purpose of setting up the project tree. In model setup, we will select geometries of parts, supports, and base plate that will be used for simulation. Also, we will assign the imported material from the new advanced material data available in Granta MI. Use the advanced options to simulate powder or non-build items, or if you want to take advantage of symmetry. As you progress through the wizard and perform actions, such as apply changes and generate mesh, the options you specified in the wizard will be implemented as objects in the project tree. By clicking Next, the build settings can be assigned. Different methods are available, including inherent strains and machine learning capabilities, that will speed up simulations. Depending on the simulation methods, different physics will be considered and can be easily calibrated using Metamodels and machine learning. In post-processing, we could define different steps that will follow the build simulation, including heat treatment and cutting steps. By clicking on Finish, we will apply all the steps sequentially and exit the wizard. Once the simulation is set up, it is possible to check the different settings, including the new material imported with Granta MI Materials Gateway. Material properties needed for the inherent strain analysis are included and reviewed again in the Material tab. After running the process simulation with the new and precise material properties available in the Granta MI database, we can easily obtain residual stresses and deformation that will help predict and compensate for deformation during additive manufacturing.